It's time. Guys, doesn't this look way better? We're here. I'm just waiting to go get gas, so let me go ahead and do that. But in the meantime, let me show you the views. Alright guys, we're here, we're on our way to the first trail, and social distancing today. We're only 3 vehicles, and just such a beautiful day. I mean, let's look at this view. Like, who wouldn't love this view? I can't stop smiling, I'm like a Cheshire cat. I have my milk, and it's a beautiful morning, so let's go see what we can get up to today. Woo! Holly's back in her natural habitat. Alright, we are on the first trail. We're gonna hit 777. Let me show you the crew. Look at that. So we have Gridlock right behind me, and then we have the PANDRA. That's right, the PANDRA. It's gonna be so rad. Okay, so let me do an update of what's going on with Mischief Maker. He's not too happy about something. He's not driving the way he normally does. There's something definitely up, and I need to double check my brakes. The pads have good contact, but they're kind of picking and choosing when they kind of want to work at the moment. So we are finishing this trail, and we're gonna head back and have some lunch, but it's been a fantastic day so far. Look at this, insane. Look at him chilling out. So let's get back in and continue with the day, see what else today has to bring.
Searching for glory, I'm a strong winner. Don't mean the ball, cause I'm a hard hitter. Only be swimming in the deep river. I'm a love giver. Searching for glory, I'm a strong winner. Don't mean the ball, cause I'm a...
Okay, so here's what's happening now. Constance has never ridden an off-road, slow off-road vehicle. She's like a fast girl, Mustangs. She's done desert racing, all that kind of stuff. So now, this is her. She is in the gridlock, and she's gonna do some of this trail. So let's go watch her do her thing. It's super sick, so awesome. And I'm completely covered up, but I've burnt myself, and I've been putting cream on every 2 seconds. But let's see how she gets on. So here we go. I don't let anyone drive Mischief Maker, but I'm gonna let PANDRA go up this hill because I trust him, and he already knows my rules about people in my Jeep. So he's also scared, but it's all good.
Just when I had all of this figured out.
Hey PANDRA.
Hi, this is the second Jeep I've ever driven.
Second Jeep ever driven. Are you excited? He really likes Mischief Maker.
My favorite.
I didn't want to say that.
But it is.
But it is. It's his favorite Jeep.
My favorite Jeep in the whole wide world.
It's pretty simple. Put it in drive and off you go. Tell I'm at the back of a trailer, and yes, this is Mischief Maker going back onto the trailer. Let me tell you why in just a second. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. Mischief Maker is back on the trailer. You've seen that I've been wheeling today, which seems to be with no problem, but something has not felt right. I don't know what it is, but there's just something not right with him. So I've decided to take him to Tara at Dixie 4-Wheel Drive in St. George. I'm gonna drop him off, I'll pick him up in the morning, and I'll be able to wheel the rest of the time. But you know, just when you have that feeling in your gut that something is not right. So at first I thought that I was making it up in my head because there's new tires, there's new axle shafts, you know, there's new parts on here. I haven't wheeled in quite a while, so it might have just been like all in my head, but I'm going with my gut, and my gut says there's something off. It might be something minor. Whatever it is, it's better to be safe than sorry. It's better to miss out on like one obstacle, which I should be going to right now, than the rest of the time, or a whole day. So we're gonna take him over to Dixie 4-Wheel Drive, we're gonna unload him, we're gonna leave him there, they're gonna take a look over, do their thing, and we'll pick him back up tomorrow and I'll be back on the trails. So definitely stay tuned, because obviously in the next episode I'm going to be telling you if there was anything wrong or not. So let's get him over there. Alright guys, so this last part of the video was a little choppy, and I'll tell you why. I did have some footage of Dixie 4-Wheel Drive, me unloading the Jeep from the trailer, driving into Dixie, and none of that actually recorded because my storage on my iPhone was full. And I didn't double check. So that is why you're getting this random cut from Dixie 4-Wheel Drive over to this outro. So that is the reason why. I'm happy Mischief Maker is in a good place. We are actually gonna go head over to Dixie 4-Wheel Drive tomorrow morning and see what the guys think over there, what is going on, and just take a look. Today was an epic day. We're here in Hurricane, Utah. We are wheeling at Sand Hollow, and it's just nice to be behind the wheel again. And tomorrow, hopefully, fingers crossed, is gonna be a great day again. I'm looking forward to it once we get back onto the trails. So that is pretty much about it for today. The other guys went out about an hour ago, and they are, I think they're doing the shoot tonight. So I do miss out on doing that, but hopefully I'll be back tomorrow doing my thing. And guys, if you are enjoying this channel, then please remember to subscribe, like, or share, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to remind you when my next video is out, which will of course be tomorrow morning. So until tomorrow guys, I will see you later.